Morning, children. Welcome to the story time, the value education. Yes, we are going to hear the story and we are going to learn, okay, the values of our life. Through experiences only, we come to know what the values are, and we should inculcate good values in ourselves in order to become a good human being. So, here I go. Children, a long time ago, there, there lived a boy named Rodney in a village. He was very happy with his family, but his happiness could not last long. Rodney and his fellow villagers faced a severe drought. You know what is drought, children? When it doesn't rain for long, when the land becomes all cracked up, it becomes dry, and without rain and water, when the crops doesn't grow on the field, and the people have a shortage of foods and water, that is called as drought. In Hindi we say सूखा पड़ गया है. They desperately waited for rain, but with no luck. All the crops, land, and even the trees dried up. The cattle started dying. As there was no rain, the stream was drying up slowly. So, all the people in the villages, they were very much worried now what to do. Right, children? One night, these villagers had a meeting, beta. So, the Rodney said to all the villagers that, friends, we all have heard the tales from our grandparents about an underground river flowing through our village. That there is a underground river which is flowing under our land on the through our village. So why don't we dig and see? The villagers agreed and they started digging. They dug for some days but gave up soon. However, Rodney kept on digging. This boy did not give up. See, all the villagers went away. They said, "Nee, nee, abhi pani nahi aa raha hai. No, water is not coming up. Now it's enough. Now there's no water. We are moving out." They tried, children. They tried. The villagers they tried for few days, but they gave up. But Rodney did not give up. He said, "No, I'll keep on trying till I get the water." Okay. They dug for some day, but they gave up soon. But however, Rodney kept on digging every day alone, that small child. And when people told him to give up, people said, "Please give up. Don't dig anymore now. There's no water." What he said, you know? He said, "God is helping and guiding my way. God is helping me. He's showing me the way. I will not give up." One day, he had dug deep enough. खूब खोदा उसने. ओके, बहुत ज़्यादा डीप डग किया उसने. Rodney saw water. His attitude of not giving up saved the whole village. All the villagers, the people, they were surprised. They were so happy about this child. Everyone was praising him, appreciating him. They were thanking him. And now they are never short of water now. They have got the river now underground. Okay. And whenever any problem arises, all the villagers came up together and find a solution. And this inspiration they got from a small boy, Rodney. So beta, don't think that you are small, you can't do anything. Yes, you can solve the problems. You can solve your family problems. You can solve your own problem at your level. You can give suggestions also. Everybody has a creative mind. So don't underestimate yourself. Okay? Please go ahead in your life. Face the challenges and work for the cause of the people and the society and the community. You don't just solve your own problem. You know, you try to solve your friend's problem, your family member's problem, your neighbor's problem, if anybody is in trouble, and at your level. Okay, children, you can do it. Yes, children, everybody had that neck. The only thing is that you start off. Start off, beta. Okay? There's a saying goes na, किसी के मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. यस चिल्ड्रन, किसी रोते हुए बच्चे को हंसाते हुए तो देखो, किसी अंधेरे झोपड़ी में दिया जला के तो देखो, इससे अच्छा सुख दुनिया में कोई नहीं है. पैसे तो कई लोग कमा लेंगे बेटा, बट पैसे से आप हैप्पीनेस नहीं खरीद सकते. यू कैन नॉट बाय हैप्पीनेस बाय मनी. आप अपनी माँ का ऋण चुका सकते हो, आप पैसा दे सकते हो अपनी माँ को जो जननी है, जिसने जन्म दिया आपको? नो. राइट चिल्ड्रन? So please always try to be a good human being. Give your helping hand to the others, to the people. और इसका मज़ा, इसका जो एक प्यारी भरी मस्ती, जो हैप्पीनेस मिलती ना, वो आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी बेटा. सो यस, यू कैन सॉल्व योर ओन प्रॉब्लम्स एंड अदर्स प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है बेटा? थैंक यू. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे चिल्ड्रन. एंड प्लीज़, after listening to the story, you tell the story to your brother, to your sister, to your friends beta, and motivate them. Okay? Thank you. God bless you beta.